Hi everybody, I'm Irene Thompson. I am a Stampin' UP demonstrator in Burnsville, Minnesota. I also have a YouTube channel called Stampin' Addicts. Have you ever thought about joining the Stampin' UP family? Just haven't taken that leap? I understand that. Let me tell you a few things about us. First of all, we get 20% off of everything we purchase. And we get to see everything before it goes live. So, for instance, say we have a new product coming out. Well, we get to see it first and we get to order it first. For instance, we have this brand new one. It's called Snowflake Showcase. Well, if you'd like this and you want to get it, well, you can. So, it's one of the little perks we get. And we also have a conference. It's called On Stage. This year it's in Orlando, Florida. Get to go to that too and see everything new that's coming out for next year for the new catalog. So if you like to be in the know, know everything that's coming out and get to order it and play with it and then maybe even invite a few friends over and share it and, hey, they like what you're doing and they want to order some stuff from you. Well, what do you know? You didn't really have to do much, but share what you love. And that's what I like to do. Share what I love with everybody. So, if this is something you're interested in, believe it or not, our kits are only $99. I used to spend more than that at a workshop. Every workshop. That was not a problem. Kind of like my stamping. So, you get $125 worth of product for only $99. And it's shipped to you for free. And believe it or not, this Snowflake Showcase, you can get in it right now. So, if this is something you're interested in, I would love for you to be a part of my team. And if you choose not to do workshops, no big deal. Something you're into, something I do, something you don't, it's no big deal. The community is wonderful. I will help and I will guide you in every way I can. So, if you're interested, give me a holler and we'll get you hooked up. So, have a great day. I'd love to have you a part of my team. I got your back if you need it. So, have a great day. Don't forget to check out Stampin' Addicts. Bye.